Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to increase music in Pictory. So I'm just gonna go into a random project. So let's add some music, shall we? Let's add this song right here. And there you go, it is applied. And now to manipulate the audio volume, I'm just gonna go to audio settings. And here you can see the background music volume. So let's check this video out and see what level our music should be on. And there you go, that's how to edit the volume of the songs in Pictory. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.